Hello, friends. I'm at my beautiful home in Haryana, and what you can see behind me are solar panels. I think it's the best thing if you can use the renewable energy to power your homes. So, why people are not using solar panels in their home? So, in India, we have a lot of myths regarding solar panels. Let's find out.
So, myth number one is all solar panels keep working even when the power goes out. If your solar panel is connected to the power grid system, which is your main electricity supply, then it would stop working when there is a power cut. But if it is having its own batteries, then it will keep on working. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि वार्मर क्लाइमेट्स में ज़्यादा हीट होगा तो ज़्यादा एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होगी बट solar panel is not working on the heat energy, it is working on the light energy. Even when the weather is cloudy or there's rainy season, solar panels will work with 50% efficiency. They need light, not heat. There's one more fact that cities with moderate climate like Bangalore are better than cities with warmer climates. Solar panels are prone to damage from strong winds, animals, or birds. The only harm that they can do is their droppings on the solar panels reduces the efficiency of your solar plates. But otherwise, the solar panels are made with the toughened glass. So even the strong wind, monkey jumping over your solar panels, or birds cannot harm your solar plates. So what you have to do is just clean them once every 15-30 days. So we Indians think that most Indians cannot buy solar panels because it's only meant for the wealthy folk, which is not true since there are many subsidies and loans given by the government for solar panels. The energy that is produced by the solar panels will pay you back within a span of 4 to 5 years. So this is not true. Making solar panels is bad for the environment as they need more energy to be manufactured than they are producing. But once you install the solar panels, within a span of 3 to 4 years, they will produce energy to nullify whatever the production manufacturing energy was used. And moreover, with the advancing technology, the manufacturing energy is now less than what it was earlier. Solar panels damage the roof of your house, so they do not rather damage the roof of your house, rather they are protecting your roof, they are covering it, they are protecting it from the environment, and also uh, they are not as heavy that the roof cannot support. So there is another concern that we cannot run heavy loads like heating appliances, air conditioners on solar panels. Yes, you can. So whenever the installation person comes, he will tell you how many solar plates are needed for all your purposes. Normally, in a 3 to 4 BHK, 12 to 15 plates are enough for all the needs. The myth is that all the solar plates are imported from China, but it's not true. There are many manufacturers in India as well, like Adani panels, or you have Vari. So I would like to conclude that these myths only stop you from being sustainable. Seeing the damaging effect on the weather, you should move on to more renewable energy, which is better for you as well as for future generations. Thank you.